It's okay. Shoo, Seagull, shoo! Hi guys, good morning. Sarah, you wanna say hi guys?
Hi guys.
Can you tell the guys where are you going?
Grandma.
Grandma and then?
Go to
Go to the beach. We're going to Grandma and go to the beach while it's still hot. I'm planning to swim today, so I'm wearing a swimming thing. Okay, guys, we're going to drive and we will go together there at Grandma. See you there. Guys, we're at the Grandma's house now. Wow, you look at the garden, guys. See the tomatoes? So many ripe tomatoes too. Look. I think Grandpa had enough of picking of this. So many. See that? La 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 la. The raspberries don't have fruit anymore. The grapes are growing. Let's see from the back. Where is Sarah? It's your playground here. La 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 la. We always go from the back. Da 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 da. Na na na. So here we are. Grandma is here. Hi, Grandma. Say hi to the vlog.
Swimming suit. Sarah said you're gonna swim today.
She said.
Let's see if it's gonna fall.
She said, I will swim today.
Yeah, miss you.
Baby Autumn. There's the baby Autumn. There's the baby Autumn. Wow, you have a ponytail. Who made the ponytail for you?
I just have a dress on.
Are you a princess today? I heard you color your nails. Where is that? 2 nails?
I'm gonna put
She's a princess today.
No, she's not princess. She's not a princess.
You're both princess.
No, but I'm not a princess. I want to be a queen.
Are you the queen?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Ready for the beach?
I'm ready for the beach.
Oh, mommy, take this earrings off. I'm wearing earrings, guys, because seems like my face is not so circle if I wear it. What bouncy song? Okay, sing. Baby Autumn, say hi, guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Okay, sing song.
Sing a song.
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.
Bouncy, bouncy.
Bouncy, bouncy, bounce.
How about you sing
Bouncy, bouncy,
Five
bounce.
Little Monkeys? Five Little Monkeys.
Bounce, bounce.
Sarah, Five Little Monkeys. Come on, so baby Autumn will follow you. You know that song.
But now the baby always wants
How about Down by the Bay?
Not anymore on the white dance.
How about Down by the Bay?
See little monkeys jumping on the bed.
Oh.
One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Yay!
Mama,
Baby
stop.
Autumn.
Mama, I want to sing first.
Okay, what do you want to sing?
Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go.
For if I do.
My mother would say, do you ever see a horse riding a sheep?
Ha!
Down by the bay, down by
The bay where the watermelon grows.
back to my home. I dare not go.
I'm planning to swim today. I make our spaceship tent. The seagull, seagull, don't come here. Sarah and baby Autumn are having a picnic in the beach. Oh, be careful with the seagull. They will snatch the food in the front and your hand.
Eat.
Hmm. Yum, yum. Oh, they're coming. They're coming. They're coming. They're trying to snatch your food. Hold on tight your food because the seagull is watching you. No, you eat it. Hurry up, eat it. They will not, as long as you keep eating. Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Shoo, seagull, shoo! Oh, it's okay, it's okay. They will not attack. They're scared of Auntie P. They're scared of Auntie P. Their mouth is full. Here they are, guys. Their mouth are full. They're scared of the seagull will take their food. Do you have fun at the beach?
Yes. Yes. Yes, guys.
Yes, guys. Say yes, guys.
Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Hi, guys.
Say, I will have fun at the beach.
Good actors.
Say, we don't like seagull to eat our food.
We don't like seagull to eat their food, though.
No, we don't like it. So, what should we do now? Sarah, you stay at Grandma for a little bit. I go to the grocery, okay?
Mama want to play outside when I wait.
Okay. You ask Grandma if you can play outside.
Can I play outside, Grandma? And Grandma say yes.
Okay.
Mama, can
And
I play
Autumn
outside
gonna
with you,
sleep?
with baby Adam?
Autumn, are you gonna sleep or you gonna play with Sarah?
Play with Sarah.
Or you gonna
What
poop?
kind of choice is that, Grandma?
Oh my God, that's funny, baby.
What happened with your hands? What happened with your hands? What happened? Do you have gloves? Or do you have big gloves? Yes or no? What happened with your hands?
Guys, we're home already and Sarah have friends coming to play with her. And I hurry up, clean the house so they have space to play, right? Yeah? Are you excited? Okay. We'll wait for them. They're coming soon. Okay? Sarah's friends are here, guys. You wanna see? Guys, we're having dinner now. Sarah have chicken nuggets again and corn. And Papa is having fish and corn and salad. Has some leftover fruits here. And I don't have food yet because I'm waiting for I fried some fish. I went to the supermarket today with there is this supermarket where we can buy fresh fish. I like to go there and it's cheap. And like, you know, Filipino fish with the bones and the head. Mostly here in America, if you go to the supermarket, they always like fish fillet. I don't like the fillet. I want the bones. I want the bones and the tails and this, you know, everything. So, but this supermarket, I didn't vlog there because I was in a hurry. So I went there today. And buy, and I will have a fried fish tonight. Yum yum. So after this, guys, Sarah's gonna go take a shower, and then we're going to sleep. I want to show off how she.
Outside, Matt, Dad has bag.
Very good. How about?
Getting corn.
You like it? Is it sweet? Can you say bye bye to the guys? Say please like, comment, and subscribe.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Louder.